एक few basic questions जो बहुत सारे Indians के हैं specifically related to Dubai, UAE and the whole market, right? And there's no better person to answer these things than you. Not only because आप इधर आए हो, आपने अपनी life turn around कर दी है and you've become one of the most inspirational developers here, right? In 3 years, going from just a broker or just a CA to where you are is incredible.
Thank you.
So that is one. And the second is also because you're a CA from India. So in दोनों की वजह से you can answer like few questions very nicely, okay? But another is कि इंडिया में अगर मैं रहता हूँ तो इंडिया से रह के इधर इन्वेस्ट कर सकता हूँ.
So you have two mechanism by which you can invest. There is a route called LSR route, liberalization scheme, wherein you can invest $250,000 every year. The government will give you the permission and नहीं
जब इंडिया लेके जाऊँ तो आईटी तो उतना ही लगेगा.
तो लगने दो.
तो फिर टैक्स का बेनिफिट कैसे हो रहा है?
टैक्स का बेनिफिट तब तक है ना जब तक आपको यहाँ पर पैसा री इन्वेस्ट करना है.
ओके. तो यहाँ पे पैसा लेके आओ, फिर यहीं पे लगाओ और यहीं पे बढ़ाते जाओ. दैट्स ओके. अगर आपको वापस इंडिया जाने का प्लान है तो
then you have to pay taxes, but the taxes which you are paying here will get you will get the rebate.
हाँ, पर मतलब then फिर ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही बात हो गई फिर इंडिया ले जाके. इंडिया में मेरा वही बन रहा है ना.
अगर इंडिया में लेके जा.
Now, one of the most shocking and misinformation in this particular webcast, which is run by Mr Raj Shamani, who's ironically is a very well-known YouTuber out here in India, where he's been interviewing very renowned personalities not only in India and even abroad. The gentleman who Mr. Raj Shamani introduces as a self-made billionaire who started off as a broker in Dubai and now is a very prominent developer. Now, a gentleman of that pedigree, misses out on a basic platform where an Indian can invest money, and that platform is called LRS, which is the liberalized remittance scheme, which qualifies for a $2.5 lakh US dollars to be sent for a real estate investment anywhere in the world, me being an Indian. Now, how can somebody who's been transacting in billions of dollars and a developer, and more importantly, who's a chartered accountant out here in India, can misinterpret the basic terminology as not as an LRS but as LSR? Not only that, to top it all, the gentleman goes ahead and says that you can invest in Dubai and make profits, and that profit is tax free. As a matter of fact, if in case me being an Indian goes ahead and invest in Dubai, firstly I will have to remit the money as per the LRS. Secondly, even if in case I'm doing investments abroad in real estate, I need to declare in my income tax return for that particular financial year. Now, when I'm declaring that investment on my returns, I'm liable to pay tax even if in case the profits are generated outside India, because I'm an Indian passport holder. So even if in case I'm making money outside India, I'm liable to pay tax. Now, even if in case I'm not bringing that money out in India, still I'm liable to be paying tax on it. So somewhat, looking at the pedigree of Mr. Raj Shamani, who's I'm sure does a lot of homework before he concludes the podcast, my humble suggestion would be that these 2 points should definitely be well taken care of, wherein somebody of this profile, of this stature, is going ahead and giving such misinformation. So definitely this needs to be corrected. Thank you.